welcome back to another TryHackMe challenge, another day, another challenge. This time it's time to look into log analysis. Here's a brief overview of the history of this challenge. And yeah, here is some important data to solve the challenge. What are the log files, how it's composed, the tools to analyze them in Windows, but this time we have a Linux machine. The machine is already launched, so here's a brief overview of how it works in Linux, how we could analyze it, and the different types of logs depending the service that is logging into the file. Some tools, commercial tools, open source tools, and some commands such as grep that will be useful to solve this room. Okay, here are some options for a grep command. We will review it quickly. The -i is for a string search, but without giving importance if it's uppercase or lowercase. The -e it's for regular expressions. You can pass it as parameter TryHackMe or THM and get both of the results, for example. And the -r is for a recursive search. It will search in all of the files of the directory in which you are. Okay, let's get started with the questions. The first one is to launch the machine. We have already launched, and the second one is to run an ls and count the files that there are in the directory in which we are. Okay, here we have two files, sshd.log and webserver.log. So the answer to this question is 2. Okay, SSHD is the open SSHD server process. It listens to incoming connections using the SSH protocol and acts as the server for the protocol. It handles user authentication, encryption, terminal connections, file transfers, tunneling, and that kind of things. Okay, going with the third question. xmas managed to capture the logs generated by the web server. What is the name of this log file? Well, we have only two files right here, so the name of this file is here, webserver.log. So webserver.log, submit. Great. Begin investigating the log file from question 3, webserver.log, to answer the following questions. Okay, let's do this. On what day was Santa Naughty and Nice list stolen? Okay, let's do a cat to webserver.log, and we will do a grep -i to search a string in the without giving importance to the case of the string. A case insensitive search, so we could search something like Santa, maybe. And we have all logs are from 18 November. And here it is Santa's list.txt. Okay, that was easy. 18 November. Let's see which day it was. It was Friday, so the answer to these questions, maybe it's Friday. Yes, that's correct. What is the IP of address of the attacker? Okay, this is the address of the Santa's list.txt row, but if you see at all of the rows that they have the same IP, so I think this is it. 10.10.249.191. Submit. Okay, that's correct. Let's do the next question. What is the name of the important list that the attacker stole from Santa? Maybe it is Santa's list.txt. txt. Let's see. Oh, correct. And look through the log files for the flag. The format of the flag is THM. Okay. Same as this. THM. Okay, we have no results. Maybe it is in the other file, not in the web server.log. Instead, it's out in sshd.log. For searching in that file, we will do a -r search with grep. So let's see the result. Here it is. Stolen Santa's list. Okay, THM stolen Santa's list. Submit. That's correct. Okay, and we have right here and other rooms that TryHackMe recommends to solve. Okay, and that it is. This was the day 2 of the Advent of Cyber 4 version 2022. I hope that I could be from help to you, so don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you soon.